Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to reduce image file size in Windows 11 using two easy methods, and also I will show you how to convert PNG images into JPG format. So let's get started. In the first method, we are going to use Paint to reduce image file size. So this is the image I have, and you can see this is a JPG file, and you can see the size of the image. Right click on the image, then go to open with, then click on this paint option. So this will open this image in MS Paint. So as you can see, and you can see the current size of this image is this. To reduce image file size, click on this option. Now here you will see these two options, percentage and pixels. So click on this percentage option, select this percentage option. And now you have to change this 100% to 80%. Okay. Then click on this OK option. After that, click on this save icon. And now you can see the size has been changed and reduced. If you want to reduce this image file again, do the same thing. Click on this icon, select percentage option, then change it to 70% or 90%, or go for 75%. Then click on OK. So this is the current size. If I click on this save option, now you can see the size has been reduced. Now move on to the next method you can use. In the second method, we are going to use Photos app to reduce image file size. So this is the image, and you can see the file size. Right click on the image, then go to this option open with, then click on this option photos, click on it. The current size of this image is this, as you can see. To reduce this image size, click on these three dots, then click on this option resize image, click on it. In this file type, if you have a PNG image, select JPG, because PNG images are larger than JPG images, especially for photos. So select JPG in this file type. After that, you can increase or decrease this quality option. So this will reduce your file size. And you can see the current size of this image file is this, and the new size is this. Click on save. Save this file. That's it. Cut this window. Now you can see this is the previous image, and you can see the size, and this is the new image, and you can see the size. Okay, so the size has been reduced. So these are the two easy methods you can use to reduce image file size. Now let's move to the second topic, how to convert a PNG image into JPG. This is very useful because in many cases PNG images are larger than JPG images, especially for photos. We will use two simple methods. Now you can see this is the PNG file I have, and you can see the file size as well. In the first method, we are going to use MS Paint to convert this PNG image to JPG. So right click on the image, then go to this option open with, then click on this paint option. Click on this file option, then go to this option save as, then click on this option JPEG. Save the file, then click on save. That's it. Cut this window. And now you can see this is the file. So this is how you can use MS Paint to convert PNG image to JPG. You can see JPG file. In the next method, we are going to use Photos app to convert PNG image to JPG. So right click on this PNG image, then go to this option open with, then click on this option photos. Click on these three dots, then go to this option save as. In this save as type, select JPG. I will change the file name, then click on save. That's it. Cut this window. So this is the image. This is how you can use Photos app to convert PNG image to JPG. And one more thing, you can use the same method to convert JPG to PNG as well. This is all for the video. Thanks for watching.